Check this out, G. This is Flavor Flav in the building for my man Keith Weinhold. You know what I'm saying? Word up, G. Hey, yo, I want to congratulate you, bro. Word up, man. You know what I'm saying? To your powerful Get Rich Education podcast. Hey, yo, I heard you doing big things, man. Heard you doing real big things. You know what I'm saying? For real. Congratulations, man, on your podcast. Yo, you heard me? And guess what, G? Maybe one day I could be on your podcast too. All right, word up, G. I want to be on your Get Rich Education podcast. I need to learn how to get rich. I need some education on learning how to get rich. You know what I'm saying? Word up, G. Congratulations, though, man. All right, Keith, word up, man. And you reached 3 million listeners? Now, that's dope. Word up. Well, guess what? Now I got a feeling you might have reached 3,000,001 because Flavor Flav is going to listen to you, B. You know what I mean? For real. On the strength. So, yo, congratulations once again, Keith Weinhold. You know what I'm saying? On your come up. All right? Flavor Flav, and I approve this message. You know what I'm saying? For you, Keith, rock the house, G. Stay positive. Stay COVID free. Take good care of your family, bro. And enjoy this wonderful shout out.